And races on Lucky Lorky, moving up by the Reds, Black Parade, Golden and Get Touch of Gold. And moving up by the rail is Mr. Saber. Golden and Get, Black Parade in the middle, Mr. Saber. Danori inside, Touch of Gold, racing in fourth by about 3 lengths. Moving up by the rail is My Sweet Leonora and Lucky Lorky. Black Parade by Hapalan, followed by Mr. Saber, Danori inside, passing the half-mile post, Mr. Saber, Black Parade on the outside, Golden and Get, and here comes Touch of Gold. Lucky Lorky is racing in fifth by about 3 lengths, and My Sweet Leonora. Mr. Saber by Hapalan, followed by Black Parade in second, and Touch of Gold moving up in third as they race the final corner. Mr. Saber by about 2 lines, followed now by Touch of Gold. Lucky Lorky sneaking by the rail, and ring the last 150 meters more to run. Mr. Savior by about 3 lengths, followed by Lucky Lorky, Touch of Gold, and finally number 1, Mr. Saber, Lucky Lorky, Touch of Gold, Black Parade, My Sweet Leonora, and Golden Angge comes last.
165